Hello everyone and welcome to Trading Mantras. We are going to make CPR video series from today. We will try to upload a series of videos and as many videos as possible and as much as content we will also deliver through our channel. So please don't miss any video we upload and watch the video till the end. Today we are going to discuss basics of CPR and its formula and how CPR respects pricing trading. CPR, Central Pivot Range, is an indicator to identify key price points to set up your own trades in live market. CPR consists of three components. First one is pivot and top central pivot and bottom central pivot. This is pivot. This is top central pivot, which is called TC, and this is called BC, which is also called as bottom central pivot. Okay, these are the three components CPR consists. These three components derived out of the underlying high, low and close calculations by using simple maths. Pivot is derived as high plus low plus close of previous day for the next day. This is the pivot for the next day. These calculations based on today's price chart, high and low and close, okay, by 3, which is pivot. Next, BC is derived high plus low by 2. This is current day high of the day candle and low of the day candle by 2. PC is derived, which is top central pivot, is calculated by using pivot, this pivot, whatever value you get from pivot, minus BC, this BC value, okay, bracket, plus pivot. This pivot again. This is how these three components derived out of the underlying high, low and close calculations by using simple maths. Okay, I hope you understand this point. These are the three components calculations formula. You can write down if you are interested. Okay, try to understand how they are derived. Okay. Few important key points of CPR. Few important key points. Suppose if today is narrow range day, tomorrow CPR will be a narrow ranged CPR. Narrow range day will lead to narrow range CPR. What does that mean? What is narrow range day? What is narrow range day? Narrow range day is like if the price is sideways to choppy. Today, it will be the narrow range day. Okay, it's choppy like this. Price doesn't move much, like it doesn't make much highs and lows. If it is consolidated between certain levels, okay, then it is called a narrow range day. So, narrow range day will lead to narrow range CPR next day. The next point. If today is a trending day, suppose price is trending today, upside or downside like this, trending day, tomorrow CPR is a wide range one. What is wide range one? Price is trending. Price is not consolidated between any levels. It is just trending, bullish or bearish. So you will get the CPR, wide range CPR, wide range CPR. Trending day will lead to form wide range CPR by next day. Okay. The next point, bullish outlook. What is bullish outlook? When we look for bull trade, by using CPR, we look for bullishness when the price is trading higher than TC. We have three lines, right? We have three lines. This is TC and this is pivot and this is BC, bottom central pivot. When we say the price is bullish by using CPR, then the price is trading above TC. Suppose the price opened here by 915 and came down to this level and touched this level and taken support here, then this is called the bullishness. This will work as a support for the price. So price will be in the bull side until it sustains above TC. Top central pivot. Once top central pivot gives support to the price, then the prices will still remain on the bull side only. So there is a chance of price to move upside like this, okay, to the next resistance level. Hope you understand this point. Okay. Same way, what is bearish in CPR? Bearish is these are the three CPR lines. This is TC, this is pivot and BC. The price is trading below BC. This is BC, right? Trading below BC, which is bottom central pivot. That means there is a bearishness in the market. Means if the price opened here and came to this level and rejected by this level, then it is giving good resistance for the price. Means the price is in still bearish. So this works as a resistance. The trend will remain in the downside only. Okay. In this case, we put stop loss below this candle or below this pivot. Previous swing, however you do. Okay. If the BC is broken, suppose if the BC broken candle is so big, like this, then we wait for the retracement, like with small with candle or something. We don't take interest on huge candles to avoid risk and reward ratio. Okay. To avoid huge risk, don't take interest on huge candles, we wait for the small candles to take an entry as per the risk reward ratio. Okay. There are three types of central pivot ranges you can see in day trading. What are those? The first one is narrow range CPR. Second one is wide range CPR, and the third one is medium CPR. these are the three types of CPRs you can see usually in day trading. Okay, what is narrow range CPR? Narrow range CPR is a CPR which has no much space between its top central pivot to bottom central pivot. As its narrow CPR, price can propagate easily through these levels. CPR has 3 levels, right? So there is no much space between these levels. First level is TC, mid level is P pivot, and the down level is BC, bottom central pivot. It can be this much closer, the space between. It can be much closer like this. Sometimes it appears like a single line, single thick line. Like this it appears. Okay, this is how narrow CPR range we can find in day trading. Let's see few examples for narrow range CPR. Okay, you can find a number of CPR indicators in the indicator section. You can search on yourself. Even in Zerodha platform itself, you can find CPR. They have added, I think. Here I am just switching on the CPR. Here you see this is the narrow range CPR. There is no gap between the 3 levels, the top central pivot and the mid pivot and the pivot and the bottom central pivot. This is the NCPR. Okay, let's figure out further NCPR. This is narrow range CPR. Okay. Figure out 2 NCPR. This is also another CPR, NCPR. You see consecutive 3 NCPR. This is also another NCPR. This is also another NCPR. This is also another NCPR. Okay, those are the NCPRs. We can figure it out. Why I am showing narrow range CPRs? Whenever narrow range CPR is formed, that day, particularly on narrow range CPR day, you can find trending days and breakout days. Either trending days or breakout days you can find. If on that particular day is not trending, then the next immediate day you can find the trending day. Let's see how many days you can find trending days in narrow range CPR. This is Bata India stock. Here you see this is the narrow range CPR on March 11th. This is not the trending day. You see here, but the next day you see, next day also narrow range CPR. It was trending day. Okay. Here narrow range CPR and trending day you can find. This is narrow range CPR. It's like some sort of off trending day. The next day you can find the trending day, right? This is almost the trending day, and the second half it fell. This is also almost you can find, and somewhat reversals. Probably found some. Here you see the big breakout happen. This is sideways, consecutive sideways, and third day breakout happened. See how breakout was happening, how good it is. You see the trending downside. Most trading is like most probability it makes, like most of the times the narrow end CPR gives trending days to breakout days. Either breakout day it could be or trending. This is using downside trending. Here you can see breakdown happened. Again it retested this level and downside it trending. Here you see the trending day. Here you see trending up to mid afternoon. You can take any stock, it will be trending in narrow range CPR day. Let's check with some charts. This is narrow range days. See, up to mid afternoon it was trending day. Sideways, next day big trending day. You see here the trending day upside. You must have kept on trailing your SL. Okay. Here you see the trending day. Trending day and gap up like this. So this is not. Here you see this is not the trending, this is not the trending, but this was the trending day for this one. This is trending. This is trending. This is trending. This is an upside breakout. Let's find out another stock. Let's check with Reliance. This is trending downside. This is not trending, but the next day trending, you see. If the particular day is not trending, the next day will be trending day. Probability is about probability. Trading is about probability. Okay. This is trending. Let's check with the ACC. See the trending. Trending downside. See trending upside. Breakout, either breakout or trending. See downside or see the trend upside. It failed here. Trending. Okay, this is how the narrow CPR or narrow range CPR work. Okay, you can backtest more to get the more confidence. Okay, and observe the live market where you can find narrow range CPR. That you can figure out by changing different instruments, keep on changing in live market and figure out where the narrow CPR happened and where is the breakout happen and trending is. You You can observe like that. Once you kept on backtesting and practicing in live market, you will boost your confidence to take trades in live market confidently after some time. If you being a beginner, you need the confidence to boost yourself to take entries confidently with low risk and high reward. Okay, that's all about narrow range CPR. Key points for narrow range CPR is either it is breakout or trending days you can find. If it is not trending particular day, the next day you can find the trending day. Next 2 days, if trending day is not happening, don't pressurize yourself don't force yourself to figure out the trending day. Okay, forget about it. Okay, figure out the next day. If it is not happening in the next 2 days, just forget it. Because the more immediately they happen, the more powerful it is. After the 2 days or 3 days, if it is not happening, don't wait for that too long. Just skip. Okay, and move on for the next trade. The next one is wide range CPR. Wide range CPR, which has wide space between. In CPR we have 3 lanes, right? Top line is top central pivot, midpoint is pivot, and below level is bottom level center pivot. As it is widened, this is widened, right? The space between these levels are very wide, right? As it is widened, the propagation of price through these levels is very hard. It's very rare the price propagates through these levels. That means CPR. If it is the widened CPR, if price is trading above these levels, C and B, if it is trading above TC, probably it holds this level. Very less scenarios, price may come up to this level. It touches this level and it holds this level. Means if the price is trading above this level, it will try to hold the upside direction only. Most of the times the price comes to this mid pivot and it will reverse from here. Okay, and it will hold the upside level. If it is trading, the price is trading upside, then it will hold the upside levels. If the price is trading below BC, it will try to hold these levels. Okay, most of the times it touches this level and it will reverse. Next scenario, it may touch this level and it will reverse. It happens very rarely. It may touch this level and it will reverse. Okay, probably to hold the, if it is trading below BC, bottom central pivot, then it will try to hold this down, hold the price to downside only. Okay, in wide range CPR, the price would be most probably range bound to reversal. Range bound in the sense it will be confined into some range throughout the day. Okay, it will be like this throughout the day. It will be like this throughout the day. Okay, reversal in the sense if it is trending like this, at certain point it reverses back to the CPR. If it is opened upside, definitely it will come down to the central pivot, the CPR level, and it might reverse back to that level, and again it will come back to this level. Like that it will move. Sometimes it may come inside the CPR, but the thing is it's very hard to propagate through these levels. Propagate in the sense it's very hard to breach these levels. Means if the price is trading below this level, it's very hard to breach this level like this. Okay, if there is a big event or big news, then only it is possible to break these levels. If it is not the case, if it is not an event or if it is a normal day, it's pretty hard to propagate the price to these levels to go other side. Okay, if it is trading above this level, it's very hard to propagate to these levels to turn downside. Okay, keep in mind these points. Okay, let's figure out wide range CPR and the price behavior and different segments. We are on Dr. Lal Path Labs. I am switching on the price, the CPR as well. Here you can see this is the wide range CPR, this is wide range CPR, and this is wide range CPR, this is wide range CPR, this is wide range CPR. First we are identifying wide range CPRs. Okay, this is wide range CPR, 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 this is also wide range CPR. Practice this by looking at CPR, you must able to identify wide range CPR. Okay, that's why I am showing you. You must able to do yourself. This is wide range CPR. This is also wide range CPR. This is also wide range CPR. This is also wide range CPR. Okay, this is how you have to identify wide range CPR. So, what is the property of wide range CPR? Most probably, the price would be range bound to reversal. It might be range, some range, or it might go like this and it will come down. It will also be in the range. If you observe, okay, this is how price behaves. Okay, let's look at whatever the wide CPRs happened here. Let's observe the price action, how the price behaved with respect to the wide CPR on Dr. Lal Path Labs. Okay, this is March 1st, March 2nd. This is wide CPR. You see the price opened here, it reversed. Okay, it sideways and it tries to reach this level. Okay, up to 315 it tried. Okay, 330 it tried. Almost it came to this level. It sideways. This is like very less scenarios it happens. This is trending day. Okay, this is wide CPR. You see. Reversal happened and the price touches the mid level and reversed. Okay. As we mentioned, it might reverse from upside or it might reverse from bottom side or it might reverse from this level. But it holds the level. Very less scenarios it breaches this level. It happens very rarely. Most probably it reverses. One green candle should close above this level for your entry confirmation. In such case, you can take an entry. This is entry for your stop loss and trial your SL for your targets. Okay. Without trailing SL, you can't maximize your profits. Always keep in mind, you must always keep on trailing your stop loss to maximize your profits. So let's figure out more. This is wide CPR, it opened here and reversed, you see. This is wide CPR, this is in the range and you see, touched this level, it didn't break this level, it holds this level. Okay, you might enter here, take an SL, again re-entry, given small profit. Okay, that's how you can trade on these days. This is white CPR, rarely it happens that running day. Here even you can try if you want the shorting here, as it is from this level. Once this candle is broken by red candle, you can short and put stop loss below this candle, below this level, below pivot level, and you can start trialing your SL. Okay, that's how you can trade. This is also white CPR, but even though we don't take entries means away from the CPR. If the price touches the CPR, then only we take entries. This touches the CPR, so this is the white CPR, so you take an entry. This is the result. If you can't take this much risk, you can avoid this trade. This is white CPR. Very rare case it happens. You see, this is white CPR. Very rarely this breaches this level. Okay. You see here, 9:15 try to went up, but it failed. Try to went up, it failed. Open downside and try to went up, but it failed. You go short here, put stop loss below this one. Again retested this level and came down. That's how powerful it is. Here also you see it came down to this level, came up to this level, rejected from this level. You have broken this level, so in such scenarios very rarely happens, so don't worry. If you want to take an entry here, you can take an entry and ride that trend. Okay, let's move to the next stock. Let's figure out how price behaves. This is white CPR, went very far from white CPR. Price opened between these levels, is in range bound, upside and downside, not a good day. Open between the CPR, it will be in the top side only all the day. Price touched this level and reversed. You see, short on this week. Here price didn't touch, but it is in sideways only. This is you see, it's inside the CPR all the time. You might take an entry above the CPR and try lesser. Here the white CPR, you see it holds this level. It is open downside. It didn't broke this level. It can't sustain above this level again. It was reversed. Once this level is broken downside, you can go short and try your lesser. Made some small profit. Let's move to the next stock. Here you see opened here, reversed to this level. It works like a magnet. It attracts the price. See, you go short here by rejecting this level. See how good it is. You make some profit. It holds this level downside only. It didn't breach upside. Didn't touch. The white CPR, the move is also like that. Out. This is white CPR. You hold this level, you see, open between these levels, open above this level, and hold this level. I came up to this level, not reach to this level. See, price is inside only. It opened above this level. Okay, it touches this level and reversed. Try buy here by crossing this level. Very rare scenarios it breaches this level. Okay. Here you see wide CPR, it holds this level. It is an upside only. Here you see it holds this level. Here you see it holds this level. It didn't broke downside BC. Yeah, let's check with the last chart. Okay. Here it reached. Here it respected this level. Opened here and reversed. Here hold this level. Opened here and went upside. It didn't broke this level. Here also respected this level. Here went upside and again came down, not reached this level, went up again. Not so easy to propagate like this, up and down like this. Okay. It rejected from this level, you might short here. Nice. Okay, that's all. You understand how it behaves. So it might be range to reversal. Okay, for wide CPR, but for narrow CPR, it can break. It can break the level. It can break the CPR. If it is narrow, price can easily break these levels. Can easily breaks out up and downside easily most of the times. Okay. See, it can easily break these levels. This is the narrow CPR, price is breaking easily. So price can propagate upside to downside, downside to upside easily. Okay. And it will be trending. If it does not happen on the particular day, next day, definitely it happens, say the trending day or wide CPR, it will be the range bound to reversal day. Okay. Next type of CPR, which is medium. Next one is medium CPR, which has average space between TC and mid pivot and bottom central pivot. Okay, price can't propagates most of the times through these levels. Okay, but it happens very rarely. Price usually respect these levels and reverse from these levels most of the times. If this level breaches by price to other side, then there would be a chance of big momentum in price. If it is happen up to 2 p.m. from mid afternoon, you can see big momentum. Okay, let's figure out medium CPR and how price behaves respect to the medium CPR in different segments. We are in Jubilant Foodworks. I am switching on the price. This is the price. This is medium CPR. Price opened here, went up and reversed and respected this level and again went up. Okay. This is medium CPR, went down. This is a medium CPR, opened here, went up, came down and again reversed. Check more charts. Here medium CPR opened here, came up to this level and rejected by this level and came down. Okay. This is also medium CPR. It reaches this level and consolidated after that. Open here and touch this level and reversed. Here we see medium CPR. It reaches this level and big momentum. The property of how price behaves, remember, price may reverse or break out. Okay, it broken here, you see, price broken here from this level, and from certain level it tries to reverse. Here you see tries to reach this level and can't sustain above this level and get reversed. See, this level respected this level, price touched this level reversed. It didn't go like this, it came to this level. See, price broken, it went up. Here price reversed here. Here you see price opened here, touched this level and reversed. Let's move to next chart. This is the medium CPR, opened here, came down and rejected from this level and again came back to the downside. Here opened here, went up, reversed and again bounced. Here you see price respected this level, holds this level, also broken here around 2 o'clock. See the okay, let's check out another chart. Apollo Hospitals. Here you see rejected from this level, went down, again reached this level around 215. Here broken this level, came down, trending. Always keep on trailing yourself, okay? So you can avoid the reversals. Here rejected this level, see bounce. Here also reached this level and consolidated. Here you see rejected from this level and fell. Here the price is in consolidation and I will break inside this level. Here you see rejected and fell. Here consolidation, but price holds this level. You see the breakout, big breakout. Here also trending downside. It can be trending or it can be breakout to reversal. Sorry, breakout to trending and reversal. It can be. The bounce. Here you see the downside. Here you see this one. This consolidation. Towards this level. Breakout fade here. This is not a holy grail. Trading is all about probability. Even it fails sometimes. Okay. Here it's rejected this level and consolidated. Here you see given good momentum. They are broken. If it is what is the issue, then don't take this into. Here you see the momentum. Here you see it went up, reaches downside and fell very quickly. If it reaches around 150, after mid-afternoon it will move like anything. This is narrow CPR, sorry. Narrow CPR, see breaches and fell. bouncing from this level. Went up, reversed, and again bounced. Let's move to the next chart. Shows solutions. Went up, reversed, bounced. Went up, reversed. Broken, fell. Right went up, fade, came down. And this level for the day. Think high beta stocks, those stocks will move very good. Okay. The stock is like not moving very good, like it is making mix and like that. Don't take such stocks. Stock selection is also very important. Don't take stock is not. Do back test yourself and select your stock based on the momentum. Intraday, you can select such stocks who has good liquidity. See the momentum. See the momentum. See the momentum. See downside it. See rejected. It hold this level. See it broken, given some profit. Broken, all day it will do the downside only. You see, respected this level and went up. Rejected this level and fell down like anything. Reaches this level and fell down. Consolidation. See, tested this level and fell. Tested this level and fell. It held this level throughout the day. Around 115 broken and big move. So rejected this level, fell. Broken this level, big move, and again retested, big move. Broken, big move, again retested, again some small profit. So do back test yourself on narrow CPR and medium CPR and wide range CPR. If it is narrow CPR, you can find trending to breakout days. Okay, the price can propagate through CPR upside or downside. If it is wide CPR, you can find reversal days and range bound days. Okay, always remember these points. If it is medium CPR, you can figure out reversal to breakout days. Okay, even these setups fails, but most probably these setups will work. They will work 7 out of 10. Okay. You have seen some examples. Do back test yourself and pick good stocks. The stocks which have good momentum means good liquidity. Do back test on those stocks and select your best stocks and do trading on that. Okay. This is about three types of CPRs in day trading. Okay. Let's move to the another one, which is ascending CPR. Let's see what is ascending CPR. Ascending CPR is if next day CPR is higher than yesterday's CPR, then market is uptrend. It is nothing but an ascending CPR. You see, here this is the yesterday's CPR. Suppose this is higher than this CPR, right? This CPR is higher than this CPR, right? This CPR is higher than this CPR, right? This CPR is higher than this CPR, right? So this is in ascending order. So this is an ascending CPR. If next day CPR is higher than previous day CPR, then it is called ascending CPR. You understand, right? That means If consecutive days CPR levels are in ascending order, then it is total uptrend, right? If it is making consecutive up and up ascending order CPRs, then market is in uptrend. Let's switch on the price and check with this whether it is in uptrend or in downtrend or sideways. Here, as it is forming ascending CPRs, switch on the price. Here you can see the prices kept on going up. Okay, where you can take entries here. Whenever price is touching the CPR, you can take an entry. Here you can take an entry. Here you can take an entry. Here on the CPR you can take an entry. Here you can take an entry like that. You can find entries like that. Okay. Let's figure out more ascending CPRs in different segments. If you observe Galaxy here, it is kept on making higher and higher end CPRs, right? Yesterday's CPR is higher than the previous day CPR every day. You see, since January to June 22, 2021, it made higher CPRs like this. You can enter every time it touches. Here you can enter, here you can enter, here you can enter, here you can enter like that. Where it happened, it's kept on happening from June 22 to almost up like anything up to June 2. It happened since June 25 to July 2. Okay, it kept on happening. Like that you can find ascending CPRs and you can enter your trades based on that. And the same way, if the next day CPR is lower than the yesterday's CPR, then it is called a descending CPR, which is in downtrend, nothing but. If consecutive days CPR levels are in descending order, then it's total downtrend, you can say. Let's figure out more ascending CPRs and descending CPRs. Here you see Bajaj Finance. Here you can enter. Here you can enter. Here you can enter. Here you can enter. With this, here you can enter. Here you can enter. Like that. It gives opportunities by hitting CPR and bouncing, hitting CPR and bouncing, hitting CPR and bouncing. Like that. If it is an ascending order, means it is in uptrend. So you can take an entries. Every time it hits the CPR level, then you can take an entries. Same way in the downtrend also. Let's figure out more stocks for the downside. As we have seen for the ascending order, let's figure out for the descending order also. Here it started rejecting from this level. You can enter here, you can enter here, you can enter here, you can enter here, you can enter. No, there is no opportunity. Once it started making like some upside CPRs, then you can exit your trade and you can start entering upside. Here you can enter for upside buy. Here you can enter. Here you can exit. Here you can enter for upside. Like that you can. Okay, you can trade. If it is making kept on upside CPRs, ascending order CPRs, you can enter. If it is kept on making downside CPRs, you can enter for downside. Means you can trade in futures like that, or else you can enter for intraday. As you understand the trend, as it is going downside, means if it is up, means other trend is the downtrend. You understand that you kept on entering rejection kind of from the CPR for the downside entry for intraday using the CPR. Okay, let's figure out more downside. You see here again it started downtrend here. Here you can enter rejection. Here you can enter rejection. Here you can enter. Here you can enter. Here you can enter. That's how you can trade the downtrends. Okay. See here the uptrend started here. You can enter upside. Enter here for upside. You can enter here. You can enter here. You can enter here. You can enter here. Stop loss will be below this level. Okay. Here you get an entry and made some profit. Again, the next day you can trade and you can take an entry here. Even you missed here, you can enter here the next day. Enter here and you can enter here. So you can trade it. You will make some profit every day. Here CPR breached this level. Okay. The next day you can enter here rejecting. Here you can enter. Here you can enter. didn't give opportunity, here you can exit. Once it made like some upside price, if price came upside the CPR, then you can exit your trade. Okay, then look for the buy opportunity. Okay, the same way. That's how you can trade. Here given buy opportunity, again here you can enter, here you can enter. If it is breached this level, you can exit. Reach this level, so you exit your trade. If you entered here, you exit your trade. When you take the positional, you will gain the huge profit. You exit here only. Okay. Here breach the CPR level, so you can enter here first trade. Next day, you can take entry again here. Stop us again, you take entry here. Again you can take. You can take entry here. You can do permitting if you are a positional trader, if you do futures. Okay. Here you can take an entry if you can. Here you can exit. Once it made like upside means price holds above the CPR, then you can exit your trade. Okay. Then you can start. Here you can buy. Here you can buy. Here you can buy else. Here you can buy. Or else here. And then you can exit here. Then you can start once starting ascending CPRs. That's how you have to trade based on the CPR. Hope you understand the basics of the CPR and how price behaves with respect to the CPR. We have ascending CPR and descending CPR, and medium CPR, average CPR, and wide CPR, and narrow range CPR, and therefore on CPR formulas. Try to memorize these things. These are very important key points for the price action in day trading. For intraday, if you are being an intraday trader, if you want to be successful in intraday, keep memorize these points are very important to execute your live trades. Okay, memorize these concepts and try to back test and try to trade for a long time. And then only go for live. Okay, we will come up with more videos, series of videos we will try to make with CPR. There are plenty of concepts behind of CPR secrets. We will try to deliver as much as we can in coming days. Okay, stay tuned to our channel and try to watch the videos till the end. We are putting a lot of efforts to do such videos for you. Try to learn as much as you can. And if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe, and please share with your friends also, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Happy trading.